At BCLC, we've never rested on our laurels. We started as a lottery business, we added the casino business, and more recently, e-gaming. Our core business is performing well, but our markets are maturing, and our customers' entertainment choices are rapidly evolving. We must lay the foundation now for our future business so we can leap to a new path. To travel this path of high performance, we must reinvent ourselves. How is finance and corporate services reinventing itself? We are good financial stewards and good financial operators. We consistently cross our T's and dot our I's. We are stewards. We protect and preserve the assets of the organization. We are also operators. We balance capabilities, costs, and service levels. Through our work with Human Resources and Deloitte to study our performance, we determined how we will reinvent ourselves. The business needs us to look forward, to provide financial forecasts, analysis, and strategic advice. We must guide the financial decisions our business is making in real time. How are we changing? We're realigning our processes, our functions, and our roles. For FCS, change will concentrate on 4 areas. We will improve our roles as stewards and as operators. We will challenge ourselves to move to the next level in these areas. We will also become excellent strategists and catalysts. As strategists, we will provide financial leadership, help guide strategic direction, and align financial strategies. As catalysts, we will identify opportunities to help the business achieve its strategic and financial goals. This will enable us to provide BCLC with a complete view of the financial and corporate landscape. What's changing? Looking at every process, function, and role in FCS, we discovered that like an unsolved Rubik's Cube, much of our work is spread across the organization. We found great opportunities for positive change. We streamlined functions, consolidated processes, and created new departments. For example, finance operations combines parts of the corporate finance, gaming finance, and budget and treasury departments for better coordination of our financial management systems and processes. Business planning will focus on business planning and corporate performance to increase understanding of our business. Decision support will proactively build, manage, and nurture business relationships, provide financial analysis and feasibility studies, and deliver enhanced reporting services. Financial operational excellence will continuously improve our financial operations processes. What does this change mean for FCS staff? To succeed, we must develop our skills as individuals, as a team, and as leaders. Each of us must commit to this change, understand the new ways we'll be working together, challenge the way that we work, and be willing to learn new skills as needed. The same way architects use blueprints to build a skyscraper and directors use scripts to film movies, we will use development plans to transform our division. Each of us will create a development plan outlining our goals. Our managers and human resources will help us through each step. Next steps. As the saying goes, we cannot become what we want to be by remaining what we are. We will work with our development plans over the next 12 to 18 months. We will celebrate our individual and our group milestones. Your participation is essential. Talk to each other. Talk with your manager. Tell us your thoughts, your questions, and your concerns. We are reinventing ourselves to become a valued and proactive business partner, providing strategic business insight and driving operational excellence to help BCLC achieve its vision. We're on the path to high performance. As we reinvent ourselves, let's ask, can we be comfortable with uncertainty? Is our team good to work with? Have we developed new skills? Are we delivering results? Together, we will navigate this challenging new path, and we will acquire the skills and experience needed to create a new BCLC.